The new Geely Preface configuration and power upgrade starts at 99,700 yuan. The new Geely Preface adopts the overall design of the current model. The front face adopts a flat waterfall grille with embedded chrome strips to enhance its texture. The headlights on both sides have a long and narrow shape. The grille improves the appearance of the front face. The visual width of the face. In terms of appearance, the 1.5 TD model will be available in special cyan color, and the 2.0 TD model will be available in special stone green color. High-end models can also choose Yunyan matte gray. At the same time, all models come standard. Jet black, ice crystal white, sky gray and Xuanwu body color are available. On the side of the car body, the slim and smooth body posture combined with the strong double waist design makes the overall proportion of the car body more balanced and elegant. The two-tone multi-spoke rims and red brake calipers greatly enhance the sporty feeling. The rear of the car is simple but layered, and the use of a full-length chrome strip to integrate the taillights on both sides makes it more recognizable. In addition, the upward ducktail and the dual-sided single exhaust design further enhance the sporty feel. In terms of body size, the length, width and height are 4785/1869/1469 mm respectively, and the wheelbase is 2,800 mm, which is consistent with the old model and has reached the standard of midsize sedans. It is worth mentioning that the new car will also offer a blacked-out kit, including the front grille, the decoration on both sides of the front lower body, the rear-view mirror housing, the door handles, the side skirts, the tail sticker and other positions are processed in black. In terms of interior, it continues the overall design of the current model, with an upgraded 14.6-inch floating central control screen and a 12.3-inch full LCD instrument panel. It has and supports the latest built-in Fly Me Auto system, 4G network, multimedia voice recognition control and multi-fingerprint operation, high-car mobile phone interconnection, mobile app remote function, etc. are available. In terms of configuration, the new car is equipped with 6 airbags, L2 level assisted driving system, transparent chassis with 540-degree panoramic view, front keyless entry, adaptive far and near LED headlights, openable panoramic sunroof, front seat ventilation and front seat ventilation. Heating. Main features include electric seat memory, in-car fragrance and rear air conditioning outlets. In terms of power, it offers 2 4-cylinder engines, 1.5T and 2.0T. The 1.5T engine has a maximum power of 181 horsepower and a maximum torque of 290 Nm. With a fast wet dual-clutch transmission, WLTC comprehensive fuel consumption is 6.2 L/100 km, and the top speed can reach 195 km per hour. The 2.0T engine has a maximum power of 238 horsepower and a maximum torque of 350 Nm. The transmission system is compatible with an 8-speed automatic manual transmission. The comprehensive fuel consumption of WLTC is 7.15 L/100 km. The maximum speed reaches 215 km per hour. In addition, all new cars are equipped with CCD variable damping suspension as standard, which increases ride smoothness by 33%, improves shock absorption performance by 19%, reduces speed bump impact by 23%, and provides millisecond-level sensor response.